of liquid in a capillary tube. Angle of contact and angle of contact theta, angle of contact of theta between the solid surface at the point of contact and the and solid surface inside the liquid. Then small capillarity, the more liquid molecule rise because more water molecules face more surface area, and large capillary less rise of. This is a nanotube. This is a container, minicus. Okay. R is equal to radius of concave surface. R is equal to radius of capillary. Then this pressure upward force and downward force, P is equal to H rho g, and this pressure is equal to 2T by R. Okay, then theta is equal to angle of contact. Okay, angle of contact is defined as theta between the solid surface of the liquid at the point of contact and the solid surface inside the liquid. This is angle of contact. Okay, this is, then we consider this point, radius R, radius of capillary tube, small r. Okay, then H rho g is equal to 2T by R. Okay, H rho g is equal to 2T by R. Then cos theta is equal to R by small r. This implies that R is equal to R cos theta is equal to R. This implies R is equal to R by cos theta. H rho g is equal to, putting the value of, this is equation 1, equation 2. Okay, then putting the value of equation 2, putting the value of R in equation 1, then H rho g equal to 2T divided by R by cos theta. Then H rho g is equal to 2T cos theta divided by R. This implies that H R rho g is equal to 2t cos theta. This implies that h is equal to 2t cos theta divided by r rho g. This is the pressure difference. This equation is for pressure difference method of capillary. Then I will erase this. Force method, we can apply force method. That is pressure difference method, and for force method two forces, two components, that is t sin theta in horizontal direction and t cos theta t sin theta and t cos theta in vertical direction. Okay, then force upward is equal to force downward T is equal to force for length. Okay, then T cos theta into length is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. T cos theta into length equal to v rho g. This implies T cos theta into length is equal to 2 pi r is equal to a h rho g. T cos theta into 2 pi r, area we know, pi r square into h into rho g. This implies that T cos theta r will be cancelled, r region r, pi will be cancelled. 2t cos theta is equal to r h rho g. This implies that 2t cos theta is equal to r h rho g. This implies that 2t cos theta divided by r rho g is equal to h. Both the equations are same. In the pressure difference, we find out the value of h is equal to 2t cos theta divided by r rho g, and if this angle is theta, then this angle will be theta. Okay, this is sin theta, this is cos theta. We neglect t sin theta will be cancelled. Then we find the t cos theta. T cos theta, we will consider t cos theta. T cos theta into length is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. TL is equal to, this implies that TL is equal to force. Okay, we can find this in method in this, or for force method we can find 2t cos theta divided by r rho g. Thank you.